Chotu's house. We need house to live. House protect us from heat, cold, rainstorm, thieves and animals. House is a building. We live with our family members. It is called home. I live with my sister, parents, grandparents, aunt and uncle. We make it a home sweet home. There are different type of houses. Hut or cottage. They are seen around in villages. It is basic form of houses. In town we can see apartments. In city where the population is more, we can see skyscrapers. Rich people live in villas. When we go to tours, we live in hotels. When we go camping, we live in tents. And soldiers also sometimes live in tents. Igloo. Igloo is a temporary ice structure. People do farming, pot making and weaving. They need special house. Most of us live in good facility. Our house have separate living room, bedroom, kitchen, toilet. However, we have to keep our house clean. We remove the cobwebs and sweep the house and put garbage in the dustbin. Wet waste from the kitchen goes to blue garbage. We need to mop the floor regularly and we have to keep the cleaning things in their respective places. My mother spent more time in kitchen. I go to kitchen only for drinking water. I study 1 hour per day. So I spend 1 hour in living room. I sleep 8 hours per day. So I spend more time in bedroom. I go to toilet 15 to 20 minutes only. We welcome our guests mostly till living room. So we keep it neat and decorated. We put beautiful tiles, tablecloth, photos, wall hanging, flower vase, so that it will be beautiful. We decorate our house during festivals, birthdays, marriage and some other functions. We use flowers, balloons, lights and some other decoration things. We put rangoli in front of our houses. We put special curtains. Friends, we are lucky to have such a luxury. Let us meet Chotu. Chotu is new for Mumbai. He did not have any place to live. He saw a pipe. He thought the pipe will protect him from rain heat. He slept in the pipe. He divided the pipe, a part for sleeping, a part for cooking, a part guest room, a part for cloth drying, a part for storing water. One day, Chotu saw Monu. Monu also a small boy. He did not have any place to live. Chotu thought Monu can talk and play with him. things needed to build the Pakka house: brick, gravels, cement, wood, water, glass, tiles, steel. Some animals live with us. They are called invited animals. Some animals live in our houses. We try to get rid of them. They are called uninvited animals. Domestic animals, pet animals like cat, dog, parrot, hen, duck, sheep, goat, cow are called invited animals. Pests like grasshopper, cockroach, butterfly, lizard, bugs, moth, ant, spider are uninvited animals.